Yeah, these are my petunias that are self-seeded. I've got my little fork here. I'm using these 9cm plastic pots, which I'm really pleased about. I've these about 6 years now. They're like 5p each. I've had my money's worth 10 times over with these. So what I'm going to be doing is using some old potting compost to fill those up. Using some old potting compost. This is peat based, but it's reused, so I'm not causing any more damage to our peat beds in the UK and Ireland. And we're going to pour this out into here. Hope everybody's keeping okay. I'm over the moon. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and followers for helping me get to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and 10,000 followers on my Facebook page. I do appreciate it. It does really help my channel if you subscribe and like. So yeah, I'm just going to chop these up now, and then we'll go about digging some of these out. So yeah, this has been dried in the greenhouse, so I've just rehydrated some of it. I'll have to get a really good water as well afterwards. I've got a couple done there. What I'm going to do now is get my little fork here. Because they're big enough, these, I can actually use this fork. This shouldn't be much, shouldn't be very deep, the compost here. So yeah, let me show you here. Nice petunia. That's what you want to see. Nice, clear, bright white. That shows you've got nice, healthy roots. There's no dye back there. Once you get your pot like so, hit your 2 fingers there, in like so, and you just want to be up to the level it was in your previous compost, your previous tray or pot. What I'm going to do with these, once these have all been potted on, I'm going to feed these with Miracle Grow, give them a really good feed, and then we're going to keep these outside on the bench where I can keep an eye on them for slugs and snails. So I don't want any damage on these. I've got a cat and he does like sleeping on my plants. so we are going to have to protect these a little bit, I think. Yeah, we'll get some more of these done. Like I said, it's the first time this has happened to me. I've had self-seeded petunias, so we'll see how these get on. The thing I like about petunias is you never know what you're going to get. You could get something really unusual, some really vibrant colours, some two tones. One called Midnight Star or something. It just looks like looking at the sky at night. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah, I've got some more here. So I'm going to just keep this watered, this pot, and see if we get any more come through, which would be great if we do. And I'm going to grow all these on right the way to flowering. So if you want to know how these get on, please subscribe and like and follow. And we're going to follow the process of these self-seeded petunias. Yeah, when they get another couple inches long, I'll nip the tops out. That'll fatten them up, and that will cause all these nodes here. See a leaf there? That will cause all them to thicken up. You'll get a much bushier, stronger plant. And then if you can nip it out again, it does delay flowering a little bit. But like I said, you get more flowers, you get a stronger plant. It's more hardy to powdery mildew, which they can be prone to. Petunias. I will have to spray these. I always have to spray petunias in my garden for some reason. Always get powdery mildew. So yeah, that's those done. I'll get on with the rest of those, and then I'm going to just give these a water with some Miracle Grow, my little feeder here. So yeah, this is what I'm using. This was an offer. Miracle Grow all-purpose water soluble plant food. Absolutely love this stuff. High in nitrogen, and it's a mix of 10 unique nutrients, so it does really help the flowers. Petunias can be really hungry little bleeders. So yeah, we shall get that done with some feed. I shall prick the rest of these out, put them on, leave them in that tray, put them on the bench at the front. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden or front or back garden, please don't hesitate to ask us. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.